Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will demonstrate a brand new product on the market. First, let me ask a question. You, ma'am, may I ask if you find it difficult to remove stains from your clothing?
Yes, especially ketchup or ink.
What if I could show you a revolutionary new way to get rid of stains that far outstrips what other products can do? Would you be interested?
Of course.
I'm going to show you a cleaner that will knock your socks off. I'm not pulling your leg about how fantastic this product is, believe me. But before I show you how amazing it is, let me explain about our special time-limited offer. I assume you like saving money, ma'am.
Sure, doesn't everyone?
Good answer. Indeed, everyone I know is on the lookout for a good bargain, and rightly so. With that in mind, if you purchase our product right now, appropriately called Stain Blaster, we will cut the price by a whopping 50%. Isn't this offer too good to pass up?
It sure sounds tempting.
And now, I'm going to demonstrate this wonderful product for you so you can see for yourself what I'm talking about.